Hi, this is IK. Welcome to the developer. You are a React Redux architect, part 4. In this example, news is one React element. Name of that one React element is time ago. Here it is, time ago, less than a minute ago, 6 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, times HTML element times ago. Post, save post, here it is, less than a minute ago, 4 minutes ago, etc. Time ago. We need to install function date and all about date, formatting, etc. It is npm install date.fans fns -- save, and after that we can write time ago React element. Import this time ago React element. There is no connection with Redux. Because of that, we don't need use dispatch, use select. Time, function of time is cooperate with time in our computer system. And that time from our computer system use this component and use a function from date fns. And here we need import parse ISO and format distance to now. That two function we need from date fns, and now is creation of object time ago, and in parentheses we have in curly brackets timestamp. It is time of our system, and in curly brackets it is time ago object equal arrow function, and the parameter of that arrow function is time from our system. And in curly brackets we declare variable let time equal we start with nothing, from nothing time ago, and after that if timestamp exists, it means that it is a moment we push the button, we publish our post. If timestamp exists, we declare date, object date equal parse ISO function from timestamp parameter, and declare object time period. Object time period is function format distance to now, and parameter of that function is date, this date. Okay, two function, parse ISO, format distance now, create all what we need for that function about that formatting, and what we want to see behind every post. Format distance to now, and time ago equal time period. This is time period ago, time period ago, and in return we have span title. Title is argument of HTML element span. What it means? It is tooltip. When we have mouse above this text, we will see in tooltips, we will see date when post was published. And here is space bar, and italic is formatting, time ago, and this is time ago. Look at here. When I have mouse over text, we see date. When post published, it is because of title as argument of span. And 4 minutes ago, and etc. Italic, you see italic, and I go back to script. I will not spoke here about architecture, but architecture is architecture because that component, there is no connection with Redux, but architecture exists. Import first and export. All is in export. Again, we have create initial value from time ago. It is nothing here, and constant date, object time period, and time ago is time period variable ago, and text ago. Backtick is take it together, and return. Again, we have it is architecture of React component. Import, export. In that export, declare object what we need, and use that object here in return section. Time ago. That time ago we incorporate in post list. Look at time ago. Time ago. Now we have properties. Time ago. This is a React element. Begin with capital letters. We call that element because we call HTML element. But React see this React element as object. Because of that, timestamp is not argument as in HTML element, but it is properties. Short, we call short name is properties. And we import time ago here. We must import. It is post list, and post list use a selector because until now we know we don't have any link, any button, any input box inside the post list. We don't need use dispatch, but all posts in post list coming from Redux, from state. And time ago, don't coming, because of that we need use selector hook from React Redux. But we don't need nothing from Redux about time. We must import time ago, a React component from time ago component, and here it is time ago time steps is equal post date. Time step equal in curly brackets post date. This post date coming here, it is a value of that props, and go, that properties go in time ago, and in time ago we see that here it is timestamp. It is properties. This timestamp in time ago coming from this. This is, and the value of that is post.date. From what coming it? It is coming from post slice date. Here is date. Post.date. And a date is a function. Object date, we create a new object a date, and it is a method of that object, and this is creation of date in moment of publish, and we have date. We have value for date. This is date. It's coming from function. There is nothing. As also ID coming from that function. That function nanoid coming from Redux toolkit, and we have here. But it is we spoke about that. We will speak. I will talk about that, explain that when I in a series of video about post slice. Go back in post list. In post list, post date. What is post? Post coming from a map parameter ordered post. Ordered post is array. We create ordered post here. It is descending. Last first. Last post will be visible. Will be first in list. And ordered post is a list of post. And it is array. Dot map is method of array, and parameter in arrow function. Arrow function is parameter of method map, and arrow function there is a parameter post. We write it post. It is one post because from posts plural coming every post by post. And here post is parameter of arrow function, and in body of arrow function we have JavaScript extension, and we have post ID, post title, and also we have post date. Post date. It is interesting that time ago is a child of posts list. We look at now in posts list, and we see time ago is a child of it is component, it is element child of post list. And the data flow can flow from higher level to lower level, from parents to child. And because of that, you see map, we are in post list, and go arrow function, we have a post by post from that array. Map create a new array, and that new array is all this is members of every post will take this format and go one by one. Post ID, post title, And look at post title and a time ago element, React element, have post date. Time ago is part of the post list, and data flow go from post list to time ago. Here it is how it go. It is part of this JavaScript extension. And here we have a post list, and also we have element, React element, and props of React element equal post date. And time ago it will be below title, and after that we have content, post date, timestamp equal post date. Look at time ago, timestamp in curly brackets, it is date.post. It is date.post. Post light, time ago, post list. And it's all for this video. Not big news, we only incorporate date as ID of post, what coming from function nanoid. Also we have time, how time coming in our post list. Here it is, post list. Now last post is first in the list. Here it is. When I stay above, I can see in tip tools, I can see date. There is nothing about date, there is nothing about Redux. Thank you for watching this video.